What if the repair costs more than the estimate? Have you ever wondered what happens if the repair costs for your vehicle exceed the initial estimate you received? This situation can be quite common during the auto insurance claims process. Let's break it down so you know what to expect. When you file an auto insurance claim, the first step usually involves getting a repair estimate. This estimate outlines the expected costs for the repairs based on visible damage. However, as repairs begin, it is not unusual for the actual costs to be higher than the estimate. One reason for this is hidden damages. Sometimes, the full extent of the damage is not visible until the repair process starts. For instance, when a body panel is removed, additional damage might be discovered that was not included in the original estimate. Another factor is supplements. Insurance companies often provide an initial estimate based on what they can see. If additional repairs are needed, a supplement is added to the original estimate. This supplement accounts for the extra work required to get your vehicle back in shape. Labor and parts costs can also vary significantly between different repair shops. Insurance companies may have agreements with certain shops that offer lower rates. However, these rates may not always reflect the actual costs incurred during the repair process. Your insurance policy plays a key role in determining how much of the repair costs will be covered. If the repair costs exceed the estimate, you may need to pay the difference out of pocket unless your policy has provisions for such situations. If you find yourself in this situation, there are steps you can take. First, review your policy to see if it covers unexpected increases in repair costs. Next, communicate with your insurance company about the increased costs. They may be able to adjust your claim based on your policy terms. Choosing a repair shop recommended by your insurer can also help keep costs in line with estimates. These shops often have agreements with the insurance company, which can lead to more accurate estimates. In summary, while initial estimates provide a starting point for repairs, they can sometimes underestimate the total costs. Staying informed and maintaining open communication with your insurance provider can help you navigate these situations effectively.